we need to customize to the countries that they need it and they use it. And there is a big opportunity for the industry as well. If you are creating platforms, you are actually making interdependence even stronger between India and those countries. And then industry will have a big benefit. And those countries which use the technologies will enhance their efficiency levels, more transparency, common man will be benefited by that. It's a win-win situation for both sides.
So you spoke about as India's heft grows on the global economically, industry has to keep pace with it. Right now we see the industry holding back on capex. Is industry really geared up for this $10 trillion economy that we are aiming to be, sir?
Well, honestly, industry is not holding back. Sometimes the industry needs hand-holding, and they need to be given a proper support, facilitation, and awareness. And that's the role of the Foreign Office and the missions abroad. Our ambassadors are always in the forefront to support the industry and to educate them what is available and marry the two sides, bring in collaborations between the countries in the global south and Indian companies. And that's a hand-holding facility and support that the Ministry of External Affairs will do. Well, I think the industry will have to adapt to the changes in the technology. And the changes are happening very fast.
Right.
In the tech space. So the industry has to keep pace with it. And in fact, fortunately, the innovation in the tech space is happening in India. Big companies are coming to India and setting up the R&Ds. And Indian brain power and innovation is actually finding solutions to it.
So in the end of your speech, you had mentioned there's a need of a 10 trillion or 1 trillion.
10 trillion?
Yeah, so I just need that statement again.
No, I think the next decade we are talking about the fintech in the next decade and what is the way forward. So India will be a $10 trillion GDP in the next decade. And that 10 trillion GDP target, how do we achieve? And I believe the DPI has a very big role. And within that DPI space, the fintech technologies and solutions will play a significant role in taking India forward into the 10 trillion pathway, the GDP pathway. So I think we are very confident that the industry is well prepared for it, and the smart brains of Indians, the innovation, the startup India, they're all working in tandem, keeping the target, and we are confident that as the policy supports, the industry will also live up to the expectation and the vision of the Prime Minister.